Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can just install your theme pack configuration in your phone. So let's get started. So basically here you can see the theme pack app. Okay. So to install that, first of all, you have to go to your Google Play. Okay. And here we will just search for the theme pack. Just click on here and just download and install. Then open it. Okay, simply it will change your theme first, like just click or deny that you want to do, you can do, and after that you can just change your theme from here, download this and it will be changed. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And also, if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.